Hey guys, so I have a new obliques routine that I just introduced into class. So I thought it'd be a good time to do a side plank tutorial. We have a combination in this new obliques routine that's a little bit complicated, but it's even more so complicated if you don't know what your side plank option is. So I'm going to show you different side plank options. All right, so again, this is working your obliques. So shoulder on top of your elbow, yes? First step. Next step, starting position is a sexy straight line down your body. Knees are stacked on top of each other. This is the beginning position for a side plank. All right, side plank is all in your obliques. So you're gonna lift from your obliques up. All right, so position 1, position 2, longer. The longer your levers are, the harder the move gets. All right, next option, here, yes? All right, and then a full side plank would actually be both legs stacked or staggered, your choice, up, yes? All obliques. All right, so that is the option. You're gonna do it on both sides. The combination is a little bit complex. All right, so you're going to, I'm gonna do this from half plank. So you're gonna lift, you're gonna do a knee in, and you're gonna lower. It's lift, knee in, it's lengthen and lower. Lift, knee in, lengthen and lower. Yes, lift, knee in, lengthen. See, this is where it gets complicated. Lift, knee in, back and lower. Lift, knee, back to starting, lower. All right, so I'm gonna do the half plank option just because, and that's a full expression of the movement. All right, so now we're gonna go to the actual routine. So